Hey folks, I'm Adam and I'm way back here with my Flexi hose. Now there's a lot of brands of flexible hose out there, but I have to say Flexi hose, F-L-E-X-I-H-O-S-E, they're the cream of the crop, they rise to the top. So let me go ahead, I have the 50-foot hose here, easily expandable, and let me turn it on. There we go. Easy on off. And it is nice that this thing expands considerably. Now, when we go ahead, we can water plants. And it's got 8 different adjustable and variable settings. So you can see, walk you through all of these. Now again, there's a lot of variation, a lot of different companies doing this sort of thing, but Flexi Hose is the brand for me. Oops. So really a fantastic product. Okay, again, Flexi hose, you're going to want to order that one. And the extending length of this hose, let me go ahead and show you that this thing is absolutely amazing. You see how it just completely stretches out. This thing is like a coiled spring, think of it as a slinky, and this thing makes a real difference in overall length of the hose. So if I need to go, let me pull this around the camera so I don't knock it down. If I need to go all the way over here, water this plant. Maybe fill the hot tub. Now again, I've tried them all. And Flexi Hose is the brand for me. And again, 8 different variable adjustable sprays. But pick up Flexi Hose today. You absolutely will not be disappointed. Fantastic products, high quality. Order today, get it on Amazon, get that Amazon Prime. Thanks for watching.